Are you looking for the best microwaves? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best microwaves on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Cuisinart CMW200 Convection Microwave. In the spirit of multifunctional microwaves, our next pick was the stainless steel convection oven combo from Cuisinart. Along with the typical microwave settings like defrost, cook by weight, and several cooking programs, this model is accompanied by not only a convection baking and roasting setting but a grill rack as well. This model did well during our different tests, most notably leaving the popcorn unscorched and popped, except for a few straggling kernels. We were impressed by the many abilities of this microwave, which leads us to believe that this model is best suited for the multitasking home cook or experiential cook who wants a do-it-all appliance. It does have a bit of difficulty fitting into smaller spaces due to the back of the microwave jutting out, but its condensed stature allows it to still fit nicely onto the countertop. But despite the design of the exterior, we feel that the internal capacity is the perfect size for all of your cooking needs. Material: stainless steel. Dimensions: 19 x 12.2 x 21.2 inches. Capacity: 1.2 cubic feet. Weight: 38 pounds. Wattage: 1000 watts. Special features: convection, convection roast, convection fast bake, reversible grill rack, defrost by weight or time. Number 2. Galanz 4-in-1 ToastWave. If you haven't already hopped on the air fryer bandwagon, then this microwave and air fryer combo from Galanz is the perfect appliance to grab. After significant testing, we've deduced that this model has basically every feature under the sun, serving as a microwave, air fryer, convection, and toaster oven all in one. This is especially beneficial to someone in a smaller space like an apartment, as it would seriously cut down on the appliances cluttering your counter. Despite its relatively higher price tag, we think this microwave is well worth the investment, seeing as it's the most fairly priced model among the ones that have multiple functions over and above microwaving. However, our tests revealed that this multifunctional microwave is best suited for reheating food or cooking frozen meals, as more delicate foods can be easily overcooked in this high-power machine. We'd recommend this microwave to an attentive chef, as this model is prone to some excessive browning and is best suited for the adventurous cook who is interested in a multifunction appliance. Number 3. Farberware Stainless Steel Countertop Microwave Oven. Smaller spaces like college dorms or apartments require smart utilization of your space, which is why this model from Farberware is a great appliance for compact kitchens. This is one of the smallest microwaves on our list, but that certainly does not mean that it's lacking in functionality. With child lock, multiple power levels and cooking programs, and more, this microwave packs all of the essential features into a small frame. We found that it only took up half of the counter that we tested it on, but the inside compartment was big enough for any food we placed inside. We also noted how justifiable the price was after seeing how well it performed on the cooking tests. This is a dependable microwave that could get the job done without costing too much money. However, this microwave mostly bears the basic features of a standard microwave, like defrost settings, 30-second control, and more. If you are looking for a fancier oven with multi-purpose functions, then this may not be the one for you. However, those types of advanced microwaves will typically be larger models, and this is the perfect size for someone with limited space. Number 4. SMETA Microwave 1000 Watt Countertop / 1.1 cu foot Microwave. There's nothing better than a dependable kitchen appliance that gets the job done, and it's that much better when it comes at a moderate price. With pre-programmed buttons for different types of food and various power levels, the option to cook by weight, and more, this microwave gets the job done while looking sleek at the same time. We liked that this model was a typical microwave size but doesn't take up too much space on your counter, yet it's big enough for casserole dishes or other large dishes in general. While there's nothing wrong with a standard microwave, some home chefs may want a few more features to come with their model than the SMETA can offer. With its no-frills functionality yet good performance, we think this microwave is best for a household or an office space. It's priced fairly and offers many basic microwave features, but an advanced cook should pass on this particular model. Whether you're just starting out in a new place or simply prefer to make no-fuss meals, this microwave is a fairly affordable option to invest in. Number 5. Toshiba EM131A5C-BS. If you're looking for a microwave for your first home or to help feed a family, then this model from Toshiba could be just what you need. Outfitted with a gunmetal gray stainless steel exterior and a 12.4-inch turntable, this microwave is perfect for homes that require big dishes, a sleek look, and child-safe features at a modest price. This model proves that all you need are the essentials. It has 2 defrost settings, a humidity sensor, a power-saving mode, and even a mute button for when you need to avoid waking up anyone in the house. We recommend this Toshiba based on its dependable features and performance. It has every necessity for a microwave, from different power settings to a sensor for assisted heating. This microwave is a great option for a family. In fact, it's so easy to use that it can be safely operated by children, thanks to the simple button features and pull-open handle. However, the lack of frills or specialty features such as air fryer or convection oven settings may be a drawback to some for this microwave. While it may not have the bells and whistles of a combination microwave, this was one of the 2 microwaves that tied for the highest score, fully earning its right as our best overall, due to its functionality and price.